Hi friends, this is Aishwarya from freshersworld.com. Welcome to our YouTube channel on Jobs and Careers. The topic that we are going to look today is pipes and cisterns, basic concepts and as well as the problem following to it. So let's go to the concept. So let's take this as a tank. So the pipe that is coming into it where it's trying to fill water is nothing but the inlet pipe. The pipe that is taking away the water from the tank or which is emptying the tank is nothing but the outlet pipe. So we know that inlet pipe is the one that fills the tank and outlet pipe is the one that is going to empty the tank. So you should know the difference between the inlet pipe and the outlet pipe. So this can either be the tank or a reservoir or a cistern. So in your question they can change it whether it's a tank or a reservoir or cistern, which all means the same. It will always have an inlet pipe and will have an outlet pipe. So the inlet pipe is the one that fills it. So how we denote it? We denote it as 1 by x. X is nothing but the number of hours that it takes to fill the tank. So similarly emptying. So emptying or leakage or all these things can be denoted as minus of 1 by y. Because minus comes here because it is a leakage or it is emptying the water in the tank. So y is same as number of hours taking to empty the tank or to make sure that the leakage pipe leaks all the water from the tank. So let's just solve a couple of sums to understand this concept much better. So the first sum is nothing but two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours. If both pipes open simultaneously, how much time will it take to fill the tank? So they have given pipe A will fill it in 36 hours. We know that we have to represent the number of hours filling as 1 by x. So I am representing it here as 1 by 36. Similarly, B it takes to 1 by 45. So how much time together it will take to fill the tank? So that's the question. So it is nothing but A plus B. So it is simple, 1 by 36 plus 1 by 45. Find the LCM of it. 9 4s are 5s are 5 4s are 20, 180. So 180 plus 5s are 4s are, so it is nothing but 9 by 180, which is nothing but 20, so 1 by 20, which is nothing but 20 hours. So the time taken to fill the tank by both the pipes A and B is nothing but 20 hours. So what did we do here? We first represented the question as 1 by 36 and 1 by 45. We added them together. When we solve it, the ones that comes in the denominator is nothing but the number of hours taken to fill the tank, which is nothing but 20 hours. So let's solve another problem. So the next question is, two pipes can fill a reservoir in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively, while the third pipe empties a full tank in 20 hours. If all the three pipes operate simultaneously, how much time it will take to fill the tank? So similarly, what we're going to do is, let's take the two pipes as A and B. So the third pipe is nothing but emptying the tank. So I've told earlier, emptying is nothing but negative. So it's going to be minus. So now A is nothing but it takes 10 hours. B takes 12 hours and the C takes 20 hours to empty the tank. So the LCM of 10, 12 and 20 is nothing but 60. So take 60 as common. 10 goes 6 times. 5 minus 3. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 3 is nothing but 8. So it's nothing but 8 by 60. So solve it. So 4, 30, 2, 15. So it is nothing but 15 by 2 hours. So 15 by 2 hours is nothing but the time taken by three pipes together to fill the tank. So what did we do here? So we know that two pipes are actually filling the tank and one pipe is actually emptying it. The pipe that is emptying it, we have to put it as negative, solve it. One you get in the denominator is nothing but the total number of hours taken to fill the tank. So we got here nothing but 2 by 15. Reversal of it is nothing but 15 by 2 hours. So if you have given decimal point in the option, you can solve it to get it that. So let's solve another sum. So the next question that they have given is, a pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of the leak, it took 1 by 3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water in how much time? So that is a question that they have given. So they are saying a pump can fill the tank in 2 hours, which is number 1 by 2. So there, because of the leakage there in the tank, it's taking 2 1 by 3. So 2 1 by 3 can be written as 3 2s are 6, 7 by 3. Which is nothing but minus, because leakage is given, minus of 1 by 7 by 3. So solve it. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7. 7 minus 6 by 14. So 1 by 14. So it is nothing but 14 hours. So it took 14 hours for the leakage to completely empty all the water in the reservoir. So how did we do this? So we know that it takes 2 hours to fill the tank. So we write it as 1 by 2, and there was a leakage which is causing 2 1 by 3 hours to fill the tank. So we write it as 1, and 2 1 by 3 is nothing but 7 by 3. So we write it in the denominator. So once you solve it, we get it as 14 hours. 14 hours is nothing but the time taken by the leakage to drain all the water in the tank. The topic that we are going to look today is pipes and cistern part 2. So in the first part of the pipes and cistern, we dealt with the basic concept and some simple problems followed to it. In today's video, we'll be dealing about the 2 types of problems that you can commonly face in any aptitude exam. And we are going to tell you the easiest way to solve it instead of giving into a big procedure. So let's get started. So this is the first concept. The type that you can face here is a pipe can fill the tank in X hours. Due to some leakage, it is filled in Y hours. Time taken by the leak to empty the tank. This is a very common type of problem that you will face in aptitude exam. So the easiest formula to remember that is xy divided by y minus x hours. X is nothing but the number of hours taken by the pipe to fill the tank, and y is nothing but the number of hours taken to fill the tank with the leakage divided by y minus x hours. So let's solve a problem to understand this concept better. The question that they have given is there is a leak in the bottom of the tank. When the tank is repaired, it would take 3.5 hours, but now it takes half an hour longer. If tank is full, how long it takes to fill the tank? So this is the type of question where you have to apply this formula. So let's get started. So first we have to find x. X is nothing but the time taken for a pipe to fill the tank, which is nothing but 3.5 hours. So we directly write it. So y is nothing but now how much time it takes. Now they have given half an hour longer than the original time. So original time is 3.5 plus half an hour longer. So 3.5 plus 0.5 equal to 4 hours. So you know x and now you know y. So we have to use it in the formula. xy by y minus x. So 3.5 into 4 divided by 4 minus 3.5. 14.0 divided by 4 minus 3.5 is 0.5. So 14 by 0.5, it can be rewritten as 140 by 5. So 5 2s are 8s are. So it takes 28 hours to fill the tank. Second concept that we are going to look today is 1 minus full tank time by second pipe time into first pipe time. So when we are going to use this formula, let's solve a problem to understand the formula better. So the question that they have given is 2 pipes P and Q would fill a tank in 24 hours and 32 hours respectively. If both pipes are opened together, find when the first pipe must be turned off so that the tank is filled in 16 hours. This is a very common type of problem. There is a very elaborate way of doing it. Instead of that, we are going to use a shortcut by using this formula to finish it in less than 10 seconds. First, we have to write the given data. What and all is needed? We need the full tank time, second pipe time and the first pipe time. So from the question, we know that first pipe time is nothing but 24 hours. Second pipe time is nothing but 32 hours. And the overall time it takes is 16 hours. So full tank time is 16 hours. So let's now substitute it in the formula. So 1 minus full tank time is 16 divided by second pipe time is 32 into first pipe time is 24. So we know that goes by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 into 24, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 24. It goes 12 times, so 12 hours. So the first pipe must be turned at 12 hours so that the tank is filled in 16 hours. So there is an elaborate way to do it. Instead of that, we are just using this formula to directly substitute whatever is given in the question to find the time at which the first tap has to be closed. So in today's video, we discussed about the two main concepts. So if you know these two formulas, there are a lot of questions in a similar pattern they will ask you in the aptitude exam. It will be very easy for you to solve. So if you are a person who is looking for a job, kindly register in our freshersworld.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.